It's 2 days to Christmas. Families are rushing to finish last-minute shopping. Delivery trucks fill the streets, and everyone is waiting for that one special package. But for one family, the package that arrived wasn't physical, it was digital, and it came with a trap. Our attacker, known online as Frostbite, loves Christmas, not for the holidays but for the chaos. While families relax, he hunts. By purchasing leaked shopping lists from compromised e-commerce accounts, items people recently ordered. He knows exactly what his targets are expecting or ordered. It's the perfect setup for a perfect scam. Frostbite builds a fake delivery portal, expressdelivery.com, a clone of a real courier website, same logo, same fonts, same tracking interface. He adds one simple message to the fake page: your package is delayed. Verify address to reschedule delivery. During the holiday rush, that line is irresistible. At around 6:14 p.m., the target families receives an SMS. Express delivery. Your Christmas package is delayed. The kids remind their dad, "Daddy, my Christmas toy." Out of frustration and desperation, he clicks the link. The link loads instantly. A clean tracking page. Realistic. Professional. Nothing feels suspicious. Then it asks for more bio details. He enters everything, and Frostbite receives it live from his end. Seconds later, Frostbite logs into their real shopping account, changes the password, and enables a new backup email. His own email address. Frostbite isn't done yet. He plants a simple credential harvesting script that forwards every login attempt from the victim to his server. Any credentials they type in, he copies instantly. The stolen credentials are pushed to his remote dashboard, where hundreds of victims' details are listed, all collected during the Christmas shopping frenzy. With their email compromised, Frostbite resets his victims' bank logins. One by one, alerts start appearing. Password reset successful. New device signed in. 120,000 transferred. And so on. By the time the victims realize what happened, their account balance is nearly empty. Their Christmas has turned into a nightmare. Holiday scams spike every December. Attackers know you're distracted, excited, and waiting for deliveries. To avoid and stay away from malicious activities or traps like this, never click delivery links from SMS. Always go directly to the courier website, and never enter your password into any page sent by text. This Christmas, stay safe, stay alert, and stay cyber smart. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you will not see us again. For free cybersecurity training, check our catalog of training videos in our channel.